Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited for this video because I have some products from some different brands, P.Louise and Made by Mitchell. I did like a little beauty retail therapy going on here. So I actually have 2 boxes filled with things from P.Louise, and then I have a product from Made by Mitchell, and then I also ordered some of his things from BeautyBay as well. Some of the stuff that he had on his website were sold out, or they didn't have it, so I just did it on BeautyBay. So if you are from the US and you're not sure where to order his products, definitely check out BeautyBay. They have most of them there. I know like some of his new collections, I don't think some of them are on BeautyBay. I think it's just mainly on his website, but you can also order from his website as well. I've done that. The shipping is just kind of a lot, but honestly it's definitely worth it. I think what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to start off with the stuff that I got from P.Louise. This is from her Black Friday sale. Guys, I'm excited. Like, I don't know what I should start with first. I guess I'll start with all the palettes. Actually, I know she had 5 different palettes. I think it was like a pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, and then she had one big colorful one. So I ended up getting just 2 of the smaller palettes because I actually have a purple palette from her. So I figured, why do I need another one? And then I have a pink palette. I'm like, I don't feel like I need another one. And then I literally was like, oh my God, I should get the green palette. I don't know why I didn't, but I didn't. So I actually ended up picking up the yellow and blue one, and they are gorgeous. When I tell you guys gorgeous, like I am not exaggerating. And I'm not, like, I'm a neutral girl, but I really want to start playing in like color and stuff. So let me just show you guys this blue palette. So this one is called, so the 5 palettes are called You Give Me Butterflies. The whole collection is from AM to PM, which is super cute. So the blue one is called Sparkle Spells, and this is what it looks like. This is the packaging. It's so pretty. And then you guys, can we talk about this? I'm gonna bring it up. Can we please talk about this? Gorgeous. Like the shimmers, I'm gonna swatch some for you guys. These shimmers, listen, they don't mess around. So I'm gonna swatch the shimmers for you guys. Like, look at that, you guys. That's the shade Fly High. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. This is the shade Shimmer Mist. This is the shade Cast a Spell, which is really pretty because it kind of has like it's like a purpley blue. It's gorgeous. This is the shade Sapphire Sparkle. I'm gonna use my thumb for this one. This is the shade Wing Wishes. I'll use my other finger for the last one. And this is the shade Night Light. And it gives kind of like a purpley bluish black. Like, her shadows are very, very pigmented. So I definitely feel like I would use this palette, like the shimmers for sure. So the next shade that I picked up was the yellow one. And this is, oh, this one actually doesn't have a name like the other one does, which is very interesting. Okay. I thought this one had a name. I know some of them have a name in the back, but this one doesn't. But I don't really have a lot of yellow eyeshadow, so I was like, let's try this one out too. Look at that. It's so pretty. I honestly, you guys, I mainly got it for the shimmers. I'm gonna swatch the shimmers for you guys as well in this palette. This is the shade Blossom. Super pretty. Buttercup Baby. Golden Glow. Take Flight. Oh no, Ray of Sunshine. I was reading the next one. And this is Take Flight. That rich gold and yellow color, so pretty. Wow, these are really pretty. Honestly, I don't know if I would use it, but I feel like some of these yellows, if you don't go too heavy-handed, it would look really, really gorgeous, like as a highlight as well. But definitely, obviously, it would be really pretty on the eyelids. Okay, so moving on, I picked up a bronzer and a highlighter palette. This is what the bronzer looks like. This is the packaging. One thing about P.Louise is the packaging. I love the packaging. It's so pretty. So this is what the bronzer looks like. So you definitely have a good amount of shades. There's 8 shades, different undertones for all shades. I would probably lean towards this one right here, and this one maybe. This one has more of like a reddish undertone, just a little bit. I don't really care for red undertone bronzers, but I definitely feel like I would use this one as well. And then for the highlighter palette, this is the packaging. It's basically the same thing as the bronzer. It's just purple. The bronzer is blue. And I definitely am so happy I picked this one up too, because you guys, let's talk about it. I don't even think my camera is doing it any justice, to be honest. Neither is the lighting. This palette, like, I have no words. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna swatch like 3 of them for you guys so you guys can see like one how pigment they are, and you could see the color. Because like I said, my camera's not doing it justice. Like, it's so much better in person. So this is what it looks like. They're super pigmented. And it's almost like they change colors in a way. Like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, if you hold it one way, it looks one color, and if you hold it another way, it looks one color. It's super pretty, and I know this would look really pretty on the skin. I said I really wasn't gonna put highlighter on today, but you know what? I am gonna swatch for you guys, like actually on the skin, so you guys can see it. See how it looks. Let's go with the pinky one today. I don't want to take too much though. Let's see. I'm picking it up. Yeah. So pretty. It's so pretty. Show me the other side. Wow. Yeah. This is like the pinky shade. I don't know. It's kind of hard to see, but could we talk about that pigment? Yeah. Definitely don't need a lot, you guys. Wow. Wow, that's so pretty. Yeah, the highlighters are very pigmented. They're super pretty. Like I said, I am so happy I picked this up because I will definitely be reaching for this palette. Also picked up a powder blush palette. I know she had 3 of these. I picked up the shade Secret Garden. This is the one where it's more on the orangey side. So you have 6 creams and then you have 6 powders. That's super pretty. I'm living for the orange blushes, you guys. I'm living for it. Don't get me wrong, I love a pink blush, but lately I am just living for the oranges and the reds. Maybe because, you know, it's getting to the winter time. And pinks I normally wear, like, you know, the spring and summer. But yeah, I would definitely be using this palette as well. Super pretty. So let's move on to I would guess the star of the show, AM to PM, guys. I can't. I don't know what to say. You guys, look at this palette. You guys, Look at this palette. I'm more of a neutral girl, but I definitely will be using this palette because the shimmers, the mattes, like it's absolutely gorgeous. So I think, should I swatch some of these? I'm trying to figure out which shades to swatch because I don't even like want to like put my finger in it because it's just so pretty. So they also came out with a couple new shades of the Chica Bit liquid blushes, which I literally have a whole collection of. So 3 shades. So the shade Chili Cheek, Pure Papaya, and Bare Buff. I'm actually going to swatch them for you guys. You guys can see. It's here. My swatches are terrible, but this is Bare Buff, Pure Papaya, and Chili Cheek. These are so pretty. Honestly, these would look super, super pretty on the lips as well, which I like because I've used some of their liquid blushes on my lips and very pretty, definitely multi-use as well. So I also picked up their new setting spray as well. So excited to try it. Seems really good. This is their Ready Set Slay setting spray. It gives off, let's see if you guys can see it. It just gives off a really light spray. I have not tried this yet. I definitely will when I'm wearing like a full face of makeup because I want to see how my makeup lasts. I'm not going to do it now because I'm filming and I don't know. I don't want my makeup to get messed up, you guys. Also picked up some new Bad Bee Energy lip duos. Oh my goodness. And I picked up Donut and Prosecco. I love the smell of donuts, so I know this smells really good. As put a ring on it. So cute. I love the little sayings on their packaging. This is the shade Donut. Yeah. Oh my god, you guys, it smells so good. These makes the... I can't talk today. These make my lips very, very hydrated. Let's try the Prosecco one too, because I know the Prosecco one smells good too. Yeah. Oh my god, it smells so good, you guys. I also picked up the same flavors in the lip scrubs as well. And I have a couple of these too, which I really like because they definitely make my lips super soft. Guys, almost done. BeautyBay, because some of his products that I wanted to get, they were not on his website. So I figured let's just go on BeautyBay and let's order a couple things. I picked up 2 liquid lipsticks right here. One is like a nude and one is like a orangey red color. I love a nude. I had to. No, I don't know why, because I have so many nude lips. It's actually insane. But this is in the shade Soft Silk. And it's really, really pretty. I just think the only thing is I'm definitely going to wear this with a lip liner because I will need one. And then this is in the shade You're Fired. This one is very, very gorgeous. The only thing is I definitely need to wear this with a lip liner. I feel like with this shade, I will only probably put it like in the middle of my lips. But let's talk about how gorgeous these shades are. So this is You're Fired and this is Soft Silk. I feel like the camera is making it look more like white, but it's definitely like a nude. But yeah, I would definitely use these with a lip liner because I can't go out looking like that, you guys. And then I also picked up a lip gloss, and this is in the shade Nude Mood. And it's really pretty. So it's more like a, I don't know, like, I don't know how to describe it, like an orangey, but it's not like orange, if that makes sense. This is what it looks like. I'll swatch it for you guys. If you guys can see that. I feel like it's so pretty. Like, it's just a really pretty, it's like a nude color, but it has like tints of like orange. It kind of reminds me of the Blush Melon Sorbet, except in lip gloss form, which I love. I use that on my lips too, and it's really, really pretty. What else did I pick up? Oh, I also picked up a Blush, his new one. Well, this is in the, I think it's the Glaze. It's in the shade Sprinkles. I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys so you guys can see, because I don't, you guys, like, I can't. It's pinky, but it gives off like a purpley color as well. This as a highlight or even on your lips, like, gorgeous. I did pick up another one as well from his ski collection. I'm going to show you guys too, and it kind of looks, it reminds me of sprinkles as well. I also picked up some of his skin prep. I didn't get everything, but I really wanted to try this lip locker lip mask because I don't know, I just love lip products, especially in the winter months. You know, your lips get really dry, but this is what it looks like. It's doesn't smell like anything, but it's just like a little balm, I guess, and it just preps your lips before you do, you know, you do like your lip liner, lipstick, lip gloss, whatever. I cannot wait to try this. Main reason why I actually ordered from BeautyBay is because I really wanted to try his curve cases. I have been on TikTok and I have just been seeing everyone use it, and I was like, I have to get it. Like, I have to get this. So I picked up two shades. I picked up the medium one and the deep shade. So I saw this, I don't remember her name, but I saw this TikToker use it. She's on Instagram as well. And she picked up the medium shade. And at first I was a little skeptical because I was like, oh, I don't know if this would, like, you know, fit on my skin tone. But this is the medium shade. These on the top are the blushes and this is the bronzer. And I feel like, you know, I could multitask with this. I could also use this on the lips as well as the cheeks. And I definitely feel like I could maybe use this shade right here. This is the shade, what shade is this? Toned Up. Especially if, you know, I'm not going for like a really like, you know, crazy makeup look and I just want to look fresh. I just want to, you know, just look awake. I would definitely lean towards more of the medium curve case, but I definitely had to pick up the deep one. Do you guys see these gorgeous shades? Like, look at the blushes. Look at the bronzers, you guys. So I actually have one of his liquid bronzers in the shade Shade and Laid right here, this one. So I definitely lean towards this one as well, and I would definitely use all of these. Like, so excited to use these. So I'm really happy that I picked up both of the shades. We made it to the end and I picked up the Made by Mitchell ski collection. So this isn't the full collection. He just recently launched his Christmas collection, which I do have a package coming for that. It came a liquid lip, a liquid blusher, and 2 brushes. This is definitely like an eyeliner brush, like an eyebrow brush, and then I probably use this mainly for like, I don't know, highlighter. Really fluffy too. The liquid lip is in the shade Extra Marshmallow, so same as the other one, Soft Silk. I will definitely be using a lip liner with this because it's like a bubblegum. Yeah, it's like a bubblegum pink. This is what it looks like. Yeah, definitely a lip liner. But it's really pretty. Last but not least is the blush, liquid blush in the shade Blizzard, and it really reminds me of Sprinkles. It's giving like that same kind of effect, except maybe this one has more like purple in it. Sprinkles was giving more like pink maybe? I don't know. I feel like it kind of looks the same. But look how gorgeous that is, you guys. This would really look pretty, like I said, on your cheeks or even on your lips. Like, you know, if you dab a little bit on your lips just for a little shine. But I'm excited to try these, and I'm really excited to get my Christmas collection too. That's really it, you guys, for my little Black Friday haul, makeup haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like. Please subscribe, share, comment, do all that stuff. I will see you guys in my next video.